I'm making the garlic character from the official Sonic the Hedgehog cookbook. Hope you enjoy. First of all, we need the bread. No, not that one. No, not that one. No, Jan, not that one. Yes, that's the one. And mozzarella cheese. Pesto. 1 tomato. Salt. Pepper. Ketchup. More cheese. We got the ingredients. Now let's make it. It says here it's customizable.
Spreadable. Lovely.
Better this?
Yeah, loads of cheese and loads of mozzarella.
Better?
Wait, what?
Is that better?
What, wait?
Or should you more?
Are we on a diet? Come on, load up those muffins with cheese.
Okay, I'll do more.
Loads and loads.
I'll do more.
It ain't easy being cheesy.
I'll do more. Is that enough?
Is that what?
Is that enough?
No.
Okay, I'll do more.
Loads and loads of cheese.
I'm putting tomatoes on as well. Is that enough?
Yeah, look at all that cheese.
Is that too much cheese?
It's never enough cheese, Jazz. You got any more cheese? Can we put more cheese on? Cheese!
On it. Cooking in the oven for 10 minutes. Then it's done. Should we have extra garlic in it?
Extra garlic. Yeah.
Okay, while this is being made, let's talk about this nice book. Have you made things from this great book? Let me know in the comment section down below. So, what do you want to talk about while you wait for this to finish? Oh, it's finished now! Yay! Garlic character's ready! Yay!
Come and get it! Yes!
Yay! Another nice recipe from the Sonic Cookbook. Hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye!